Hey everybody, it's Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to work on a salad. So the way to start a salad is to have a lot of stuff already cut up. And I've done some already. I've already started some of that chopping. I need to finish up my tomatoes, so I'm going to work on them. This knife is, my dad was a salesman in the 60s, and I know he sold this knife. It's a tomato knife, and he had household goods he sold out of his car, kind of the old pre-Walmart, pre-Kmart days where you actually had salesmen come to your door and sell you stuff. I love this little tomato knife, and I've used all kinds of different knives on tomatoes, but this is my favorite. So it just goes through the skin really easily, and it's a nice clean cut. Put my ingredients in. I'm going to add some nuts. I like to be careful on those because there are a lot of calories. I'm going to add some parsley. Put my lid on. I love Tupperware. Just shake. Throw a little Walden Farms dressing on there. They've got delicious stuff. And I try to go real light. Give it another shake. Throw it in the fridge for a couple of hours. There's lunch.